Hello friends, my name is Vikas. So students, we have an app by the name Careers Cloud which you can go and download using the Play Store, and it is available only for the Android users as of now. Once you have downloaded and opened the app, you will see a page such as the second screen here. Then you just need to log in with your Google ID, or you can say with your Gmail ID on this application, and once you have logged in, you are ready to use the particular application. As you can see, you will be seeing here my course, all courses, crack current affairs. Just click on any of those and you will be directed to a second page. Here now, what are the features or why we recommend you to use the app? Because on the app we provide you daily current affairs both in English as well as in Hindi. Both Hindi and English current affairs are provided you daily along with the quiz sessions. This is important. We provide you daily with the quiz sessions that will help you to brush up your current affairs that you gain today through our video or any other notes provided. These English and Hindi PDFs are also provided to you daily. This is provided on our app course that you can go and purchase. Two types of courses are there, 1 year plan and a second year plan, which you can opt as per your need. Then we provide you with weekly videos, not just weekly videos on YouTube and monthly videos, daily videos are also given. Apart from that, weekly PDFs of current affairs are provided to you. Compiled PDF of current affairs of the whole week will be provided to you both in English as well as in Hindi. Then similarly for the month also, you will be provided a compiled video of the whole month both in English as well as in Hindi PDF for the current affairs that will brush up your current affairs very much. Apart from this, we provide you with the topic wise current affairs, topics such as apps and web portals, important days, books and authors. Then comes your sports, then comes your obituary, national affairs, international affairs, sports. These all topics are covered by us on our YouTube channel, which you can go and check it out also. Very important, very important this section, because we provide you with the PDFs also with them that helps you to revise through a particular order, and it is very helpful to you, so you should definitely check it out. Then apart from it, we provide you questions regarding your particular exams also, such as bank, related to your banking. We provide you questions, we provide you PDF, we provide you material that will help you to revise those topics, those important topics. So very important. All right, so I definitely recommend you to check our app and do revise and to purchase the courses, because they will be very helpful to you. These, I strongly recommend you to use our app as well as website, and the quiz provided on the app is very helpful to you on the daily basis, and our monthly study material for your exams will do wonders. So do watch the video for the revision purposes, they are very helpful. And if you use my code Vikas10, straight away you will be getting an additional 10% discount on the purchase you made using the application. So additional discount for you students just from my side. It is a happy hour sale, you can say, 10% discount using Vikas10. So friends, let's start with the session now.
In this video, we will be talking about online dispute resolution policy for speedy access to justice that was released by Niti Aayog. So, question can be asked, online dispute resolution policy for speedy access to justice is released by which organization? So, the report on this was released by Niti Aayog. Let's look at it. National Institute for Transforming India, that is your Niti Aayog, released a report on online dispute resolution, naming it Designing the Future of Dispute Resolution, the ODR policy plan for India. What is ODR? Online Dispute Resolution. Mark this, remember it. Alright, which states a futuristic model for speedy access to the justice. For the initiation of ODR, Niti Aayog constituted a committee in 2020 to formulate an action plan for this ODR. It is headed by the Justice retired Arjan Kumar Sikri as its chairman. So, who is the chairman of this ODR platform? He is Arjan Kumar Sikri ji. This ODR is aimed at resolving disputes outside of the court system through arbitration, mediation, and negotiation. That means this will act as a third party to resolve the dispute between the two parties without going to the court. Okay, so be it an arbitration, mediation, or negotiation, you can say it anything, it will be used, or this ODR will be used for this purpose. Mainly, it is the use of the technology to resolve disputes. What is in this report? It proposed measures at three levels via structural changes, behavioral changes, operational changes to address the challenges in adopting the ODR. It recommended increasing digital infrastructure, building capacity, regulatory framework, including permission for online notarization, and implementing it in a phased manner so that a proper data or a proper database can be maintained for the future use. If we look at the key highlights of this report, the report is a culmination of the action plan made by the committee that will be headed by whom? It will be headed by Arjun Kumar Sikriji. ODR can help reduce the burden on the court by integrating them in court annexed ADR, that is adjudicatory dispute resolution centers, and introduced within government departments for its internal disputes as well as through the e-Lok Adalats. Notably, as of September 23, the government had 5,80,132 cases pending in different across the country. That means a total of these many cases are still pending till the date of September 23, 2020 all over the country. Currently, the physical copies of documents and physical preservance for verification are essential. The report recommends mainstreaming of e-stamping, integration of e-sign for electronic signature and electronic seal, maintaining secure electronic records and various other options. At the structural level, the report recommends increasing access to digital infrastructure, while at behavior level, it recommends adopting ODR for the government litigation. So I repeat, what does ODR stands for? ODR is your online dispute resolution that was launched by whom? By Niti Aayog. And who will be the chairman of this ODR? He will be Arjun Kumar Sikriji. All right, moving on now. A simple and important information about Niti Aayog. It was established in 2015. Before this, what is the name of Niti Aayog? It was known as Planning Commission. All right, before Niti Aayog, it was known as Planning Commission that used to issue 5-year plans. Who is the chairman of Niti Aayog or Planning Commission? He is the current Prime Minister of India. So currently he is Narendra Modi ji. Where is the headquarter of Niti Aayog? It is in New Delhi.
Hello friends, through our recent general aware section analysis, we have identified that the news related to mega events is finding more weightage in the competitive exams. In order to cover related news to mega events such as Olympics, national awards, cabinet appointments, all of which contain heavy information, we have chosen a different way to convey that information using interactive infographics. Here is an example of interactive infographics. Using this, you can choose to study various information just from the single PDF. If you want to talk about the medal tally of Tokyo Olympic Games, just by clicking on the image of medals, you will be able to see the information related to medals. Now, if you want to study about any of the players mentioned here, just by clicking on the image of that particular player, you will be getting the information related to that particular player. Now, you will be provided with two types of PDFs. One is your desktop version and second is your mobile version. As the name suggests, desktop version is for both PCs, laptops, and your mobile version is basically for the mobile phones and tablets. In order to use your desktop version in mobile phone, you can use the software of WAPS application in your Google Play, and you can access the desktop version of the file in the phones also. So friends, this format of presentation will help you to remember all the valuable information in an easy manner by connecting information to the related images. Our team has worked immensely hard to bring this to you, and so please do share your valuable suggestions and feedback through comments, as it will boost us to create further such initiatives. Thank you. तो फ्रेंड्स ये थी हमारी वीडियो। अगर आपको आज हमारी वीडियो से कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिला है तो जल्दी से जाइए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दें। और फ्रेंड्स अगर आपको हमारे कंटेंट से रिलेटेड या फिर हमारी कोई ऐप से इशू आ रहा है, कोई भी आपको प्रॉब्लम है, तो आप हमारी जीमेल आईडी जो कि है support@affairscloud.com या फिर हमारा नंबर 9677333862 पर कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं एंड हमारी टीम जल्दी से जल्दी आपके इशू को रिजॉल्व करने में आपकी सहायता करेगी। सो टेक केयर।